channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I do mostly wig related content here, so if that's what you're looking for, then this is a channel for you. Today I have a wig review. This is a newer wig from Janet Collection. This is part of their Melt line, and they say that it's a transparent hairline with an extended lace parting. It's that HD hairline type situation. This is Miss Bella. I have her in the color M.BLYG /30, and Miss Bella is heat safe up to 360 degrees. It says it's pre-plucked, pre-customized, and a natural hairline. She comes in quite a few colors. I really love this color, which is M.BLYG Caramel. This is so pretty. And I scooped her up from Glamour Tress for $34.64. I'm going to include all the clips of me getting her together. She honestly did not take much. The texture of this hair, she has a silkier texture. There's going to be a slight yackiness to it, but not much. This is going to be a great multicultural option. I did end up cutting back a lot of the hairline. It had some baby hair, so if that's something that you like, that's great. In order to customize it to where my natural hairline is, I had to cut it back past where the baby hairs were, and I don't really need baby hairs. If I want to do that, I would do leave out, but I'm good. She's so soft and beautiful, sort of this beachy wave situation. She's going to be in sort of that 28 to 30 inch length. This is all the hair to the front. So the density is realistic. There's not too much hair. That balayage color is gorgeous. I'm 5'6.5", so this is where it falls on me. She is made to be a middle part, but because it's ear to ear lace, you could sort of shift it if you wanted to. The root on this is probably a number 2 rooting. I just like how it's balayage, and instead of like sometimes the dark root 30 wigs would be like the dark root and then just like a 30. This, it's really sort of sombreed in. You got a little bit of a number 4 there. You got the 30s. So if you have naturally dark hair, I think this would be a nice color, so that you could lighten it up for the summer, but it's not going to be too harsh. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, look at that movement on that. So pretty. I did adjust the wig cap in. I have the combs in, which I don't usually wear combs a lot lately. I would say it's probably a larger wig cap, because I do feel like if I just tugged on this, it would come off. I really like the parting on this. It's very natural, very realistic. Like I said, it didn't take me but a minute to get together. I really love this wig. I suggest it, especially if you're looking for something that can go a little bit multicultural. If you're looking for just like an easy, for me this would be sort of an everyday wig. I know some people don't wear wigs as long. I do. Because of her texture, she may tangle a little bit, but you can see she comes out so easy. So long as you keep on her, just like any other long wig, I think it should be fine. I did hairspray down in the front just to get some flyaways down. But other than that, I didn't really have to do much to her at all. I flattened down the part a little bit. I melted it down, but you could go ahead and do this and bring some volume in there if you wanted to. But overall, I'm really liking this wig. I think it's very pretty, very natural looking. It's comfortable. Yeah, I'm into it. So that's what I have for you for Miss Bella. If you have this wig, go ahead and put that down below. What colors do you have and what thoughts do you have on her? If there is another wig from this Melt line, I think I did one other one so far, and I think I have one other one over there. If there's another wig you would like me to review though from the Melt line, go ahead and put that down below. If there's another Janet Collection wig you'd like me to review, put that down below. If there's just any wig in general that you want me to review, put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that